Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you my art journal, but I think that this qualifies as junk journal, and I just saw a kid in front of my window. I'm sorry. So I made this from my old planner pages. Maybe I should have bring some to show you, but it doesn't matter either way, because I just made those and I made covers myself. I have that hole punch that makes these because my planner was already with holes, so I just wanted to make a hard cover as hard as this could be. Anyway, I wanted to flip through this and show you how to recycle your planner pages. I think that my planner pages are too pretty to just stay that way on my shelf. I like to reuse those, especially because there's a lot of art journal supplies. So yeah, let's go to a flip through. This cover is actually made out of some old tag label. You see prices here. I still didn't cover that. I think that I will just put some stickers here, but anyway, I just painted this in pink, added some music notes, pattern paper, and my washi tape. So yeah, let's go. This is a first page. I think that this is actually a very first page that I recycled from this planner. As you can see, here are still visible marks from my to-do list, and here too, and here too. So you just want to go over with your markers, add some ephemera and paint and draw. I just did some doodles here, and you will see that basically that's going on through all of my journal. This is something I added, but this fox is something that was sticker in my planner, so that's a perfect way to reuse this fox too, this arrow too. Okay, again, fox. I don't think that I actually finished this page. Either way, yeah, it doesn't really matter, because maybe I won't. If I didn't, it's probably because I didn't have any inspiration. And I'm sorry for unfinished page. Others are finished. At least I thought. I checked on it yesterday. Yeah, this is one of the girls inspired by James Burke, I think. I mean, it has a lot of my style in it, but these earrings are inspired by him. Then some Zentagle, again, fox sticker. I just added some stamps and pattern paper here. Insert your quote here. This is just a funny thing I did. This is sticker that was in my planner, this one also. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You can just recycle your stickers this way, and I just added some leftovers here to make this kind of washi tape look. Any leftovers, this is just a leftover from Notepad. You see that those are very little pieces, but you can reuse them, just think of that. But don't be a hoarder, as I am. Another page, this was originally here, and this washi tape. I added this girl and a little cat. Also, coffee sticker was already here. I added her, and I added this wax stamp. Again, some cute girl, and I actually like this one. This was already here, so it looks like she goes out of the fox head. I tried with this outline to make them one thing. Then we have this green girl. I love this. I covered my to-do list with washi, but you can still see through, which gives you a great texture. And you have a quote which was already in my planner. Again, sticker from planner, added washi, added gold acrylic, added wax, added drawing. Again wax, again washi tape and the drawing. Oh, I really like this one. This washi is from Alice in Wonderland, and there were some full boxes for Erin Cauldron. Also Alice in Wonderland. Just to show you how much I recycle. This is a collage paper, sticky paper in black, which I hole punched with my butterfly punch, and those were the leftovers, so I just used it as washi. Then we have again Open Me from Alice in Wonderland, more stickers from Alice, this newspaper sticker full box, and I just added this girl. Those are actually cutouts. All those girls are cutouts which I draw on another paper and just added here. Yeah, I just wanted to check if this is still filming. Here we have a little bear. I added this yesterday, and the quote. I like this queen very much because there was unicorn and a donut and a pink washi, so I thought that she's very appropriate to be made here. And I think that this is actually colored with some very, very cheap school markers, plus the expensive silver one, which is oil-based marker. If you want to know more about those markers that I use, please leave me a comment and I will make a video about all my pens and markers. Again, another page where we had my blood type is coffee, unicorn and a donut girl, and I just added this text about recycling. I'm showing you all this text because there's nothing secret about it. I didn't really journal my feelings in it. Maybe sometimes, but I think that the portion of my feelings that it's here, it's okay to be public. I hope that this video will turn out good because I just love the lighting. Yeah, Enjoy Little Things was already here, this was already here. I basically just added some stamps and washi tape. And I love this page. This was a full spread in my planner, so I basically used one page for each day, but here I used the same decoration for both pages, and I wanted my journal to have both of those. So I added this, I drew those, this was already here, this was already here, this was already here. I added girl and just some doodling and those floral elements. I just love pink and blue, and you can see that my private Instagram is actually all in blue and pink. I actually never loved pink, but yeah, I guess that comes with years, with age. Yeah, this was also a full spread. I added those like a washi strips. Those are hand drawn, of course. I added quote, more washi, used some of the previous stickers, and here we had that quote that was decorating my spread, and just added this girl. So yeah, you could even write with a white gel pen on those, but I didn't want to. And these are just some doodles just to show you that it doesn't have to be perfect. I didn't want to throw those because I was trying out some technique, because I wanted to make some, how do you call that, graphics with, I wanted to make my own stamps. So this was designed for my stamps, for rubber stamps, and yeah, that's the word. So I didn't want to throw out that design, so I used it. And this pattern that you can see here is from Sticker. It has lots and lots of cute cats. And here I didn't have a consistent page. It was all in different colors with no theme, so I just used those colors for background and added Sarkei pictures. Because you can see that this blue thing was elephant, this orange thing was just washi, this was something floral, so I just added my stamps and put their Sarkei picture. Here also all not connected things. I just wanted to connect them somehow, and I thought that putting picture would be the perfect thing to do. And here we have the last page. I just love these earrings, and it says the end. And this is made from birthday cards that I got, so there's a little gift. I think that I will journal here, maybe not. And the background is again just pink with some washi. So yeah, that would be my junk journal, repurposed art journal, reused, I think that's easier, planner. And I really hope that this video will inspire you to reuse your old planners, because it's really up to you how do you recycle your things, but I think the planners have a good base for recycling. I hope that you enjoyed this flip through, and I will see you in the next video, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and click that bell under my name so you can get a notification each time that I put out some video. And all your comments are highly appreciated. It helps me know what to film next, because I want my videos to be useful to you, not to me. So anything you want, just put it in comments and I will do my best to make that for you. Yeah, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.